In this demonstration, we're going to look at how to post contra entries in Sage accounts. If you're not familiar with this term, it's basically where you have a customer who is also one of your suppliers, and it's the process of offsetting the outstanding balances on the two accounts. So for example, you might have an outstanding customer balance of £60 and an outstanding supplier balance of £100. In this situation, you post a contra for the value of the lowest balance, which would leave a balance for the difference against the supplier. This situation would be common where you source the materials and then sell them to a subcontractor who then provides a manufacturing service to you. There are a number of ways to post contra entries in Sage accounts. However, the options available depend upon the software that you're running and also your VAT scheme. The contra entries option is available in Sage 50 Accounts Plus and Sage 50 Accounts Professional. The option will only be available if you're set up on either the standard or the flat rate invoice based VAT scheme. If you're set up on the cash based VAT scheme, then the contra entries option won't be available in the software, and instead you must process your contra entry using the manual method. The first step is to create a contra entries bank account. So we go into bank accounts and then click new, enter a number, so I'm going to give it the number 1211, and you must give it a number so that it fits in within your chart of accounts so that it's picked up automatically. So 1211, call it contra entries, and then I don't need to enter anything else. I don't need to choose an account type. I'll just accept all the other defaults, click save, and that's it done. So close, and there it is on the list. We'll quickly work through an example using an account called BB Limited. So if we look in customers, we'll see BB Limited has an outstanding balance of £60, and in suppliers, BB Limited has an outstanding balance of £100. So the contra value, the lower of the two values, which is £60 in this example, but the software will post it for that value automatically. To post the contra, you can either access that from within customers or suppliers. You'll have an option on your toolbar at the top. So we click contra entries, the contra entries window appears. In the bank account, you must choose your contra entries bank account that you've created. Click OK to that one. Choose your sales ledger account, so which customer? BB Limited, and it shows us the outstanding transactions. On the purchase ledger, choose the supplier account. So again, BB Limited shows with an outstanding balance of £100. You select the transactions that you want to contra. Now obviously if you had multiple outstanding transactions, you would just highlight them on the list. Now if the balance is matched, that would be fine. You would just OK that and it would post the transactions. As they don't match, when we click OK, a message appears saying the sales balance does not match the purchase balance. Do you want to make a part contra for the lowest amount? So the lowest amount being the £60, that's what it's going to post. So we click yes, and that's it done. Now if we quickly look at the customer account, you'll see BB Limited has a 0 outstanding balance, and also in suppliers there's now a reduced outstanding balance of £40. So we would just pay that off in the normal way when we come to pay our supplier. If we have a quick look in transactions, you can see the last two transactions. It's posted a sales receipt against BB Limited for £60 and a supplier payment against BB Limited against the supplier account also for £60. They're posted with the same date and they have the same reference, so they just net each other off, so you won't notice anything else in your accounts.